Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm gonna tell you guys some tips and tricks to get more deliveries on the Uber Eats app. So there is no basic normal way in which you can do it, but some things that is you need to go to the areas or be available in the areas where the families and the suburban areas are, and also like get around McDonald's and it will stack like one or two more things. Next up, you need to sit near purple spots or like purple in dark mode on the app, and these are the restaurants which get the most delivery requests. Also, you need to figure out when are the busy times, like at what time do people, uh, order the most. Like as you can see, 7 to 10 a.m. These are like busy areas. 12 to 2:30, 5 to 8:30, blah blah blah. And then explore areas. Like try to go around for a few days, and see which areas are the best to get more orders. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.